In front of me is Blackview Tab 16 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. You need to begin by launching Play Store and getting your new defaults. Following that, when you're ready, go into Devices Settings and tap on Apps section. Apps and Notifications. Finally, you can tap on Default Apps right away under General and click on one of those options that you wish to manage. In my case, Browser app. Lastly, tap on your new downloaded one to apply it, and when you finished, go back. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!